Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Colombian Shoulder Slide. Knowing how to do a Colombian, first move Colombian, would be really helpful. Knowing how to do a shoulder slide would be really helpful. Links to the videos for those in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at them you can find them quickly. And we're going to jump straight in with this particular version. Obviously a Colombian could be any length. We're going to do quite a short one because that's how much room we've got. It goes 7 and 8. Back, in, twist, walk, walk, slide, through to catch, and that's it. So let's break it down. It starts just like a standard Colombian. We're going to go back, we're going to come in. Technically we're actually doing an asynchronous Colombian, so the guy's going to go in front when he leads the lady to go behind. We do our twist out, weight the back foot, weight on the front foot. We're going to come square, guys go in front, ladies go behind. Then we're going to come square, guys go behind, ladies go in front. This is where the shoulder slide starts. So we're going to come square, we're going to release with the right hand once the lady's set up to go behind. So from that point on, she's not going to get any rotation because the hand on the guy is going to be telling her what direction to face. We're going to turn left, pop the lady's hand on the shoulder, keep turning left, releasing, sliding, and out to catch the hand. So now let's think numbers. So we're going to go back, 1, in, 2. We're going to twist out, 3. We're going to walk for 4, and 5, we're going to latch 6, sliding 7, and catching 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, Colombian shoulder slide. We go a back, in, twist, walk, walk, latch, slide, and catch. And that is the whole thing. Hope you like that. Hope you find it useful. My recommendation would be do your normal kind of Colombian stuff and then just use this as a nice exit. Just fancies the end up. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Leave your recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.